Possessive pronoun is when you are describing something as belonging to someone. So, for example, her shoe, his bag, my dog, things like that. We're going to look at how this works in the Irish language, and we're starting right now. So first of all, let's look at the basic personal pronouns, and we'll go from there. You'll see them here on the left. Me means me. Tu is you. She is him. She is her. Shing means us. Shiv means you, as in a group of you, more than one person. And sheed is in relation to them. Now, here's the possessive pronouns now. Mo, do, a, or, vor, and a. So basically it works like this. In Irish, me means me, but mo means mine. In Irish, tu is you. That's the basic personal pronoun there on the left. And do means yours, as in something is belonging to you, in your possession. Then the same rule applies as we go down. A and a are for him and her, as in belonging to him or belonging to her. Or is like ours, vor is like yours, more than one person, and a again is in relation to something belonging to them. Now for the first three here, that is mo, do, and a. That means mine, yours, and his, like belonging to him. When the first letter after the possessive pronoun is a consonant, then a shevu is placed between the first and the third letters. As you'll see here on the first example for mo vola, my bag. So a H, or a shevu as it's called, is placed here just after the M, and that's the rule there when something is belonging to me, as in mo. The same with do. So do vrog, that means your shoe. Do vrog, a shevu is added there. And a, which is in relation to something belonging to him, a male. Let's say his dog, for example, as you'll see here. A vadra, his dog. Now, when we're talking about a female, or her, there is no shevu in relation to the word that follows the possessive pronoun for her, which is a. So, her foot, just as it would be normally, akos, her foot. Now, the next three here, or, vor, and a, they mean ours, yours, as in more than one